Pesci closing there on Ovechkin. Kuznetsov playing hide and seek. Saucer pass, Ovechkin score! Alex Ovechkin brings the curtain down in DC. You have to go back to the entry and let's see if it's onside. Remember, the puck has to be the first thing completely into the offensive zone.
And coming into the playoffs, they're going to have cameras installed along the blue line. We'll even give more looks for the referees. And there it is. He lost the puck, Joe.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's going to be offside.
Uh-oh.
You can carry it in backwards, but you must have control and maintain control. I think this goal is going to be reversed.
Upon further review, we have a good goal on the ice.